You just moved to the city, you bought a house in Montclair or surrounding areas, and you don't like the house you look. You say, I need to renovate it, but I want to maximize my budget so I can invest properly, I can invest right. If that's where you're at, I'm going to walk through the entire budgeting process step by step and really give you answer all the questions. By the time you're done with this video, you're going to know exactly what to do, where to go, and how to budget your price. Let's break it down. Alright, first thing you got to do design. Design to know what it looks like. At least an idea. Take a picture. Use ChatGPT. Whatever it is, you have to understand what you like, what the space is going to look like. Alright, with that in mind, then eventually I'm gonna put a budget in a tool you can budget yourself. But let's understand how much things cost. I'm gonna break it down. Permit, this house doesn't have an addition at the back. For example, right here, let me just open this thing up. We're gonna be putting in addition from here. Come on. There you go. This half section to the back. All that's gonna be an addition. So that means we need to apply permits, we need to do the plans, all of those things, plus they're going to be some renovation in the rest of the house, like the floors, replacing the ceilings, and a little bit light here and there. It's not completely got out, we're upgrading the house. Alright. Now, let me just, you know what, let me break it, let me show you what the space is going to look like. Why not? That's the kitchen. This is what the kitchen is going to look like. Tell me if you don't love it. Tell me if this is not a beautiful, beautiful kitchen. I think it is. I think it's lovely. It's gonna have a hot bathroom in this corner right here. Next one, let's do kitchen also. This is gonna see the bar area. Look at the bar area. Look at the bar area right here. Little fridge, beautiful, spaceful, nice. Next one, bar area. Yeah, that's the bar area. What do you think? Do you love it or do you hate it? I think you're gonna love it. Living room. This is what the living room is gonna look like. This is super important to do render and design before anything. Just so you know what it's gonna look like. Then it's going to be the common bathroom, which is the little half bathroom, with all the customer selections, the floor, whole thing. I am pretty sure you are loving at this point. Are you? If not, let me share more with you. Master bedroom. This is what the master bedroom will look like. Here is a master closet. There's no space for walk-in closet, so you're using something custom closet. And this is the back. Look at how much windows, how much opening do you have. Beautiful. Am I wrong? I don't think so. Master bedroom, bathroom. Look at the master bathroom. Flooring. Vanity, some single vanity, they don't want to do double vanity because there's no space. Then you have view to the back, and the soaking tub, and then a little mirror right here for the lights, and then the shower from this picture. Next one, it is office TV room. That's a TV room. Here's the couch, here's the TV room. What's gonna look like? Now, budgeting, how that looks like. Permits, 9,500. Site prep and demo, 28,000. Foundation, 29,000. That includes all of these things right here. Construction blocks, concrete slab, waterproofing, you name it, everything. Framing, it's gonna be 27. Framing is about $35,000. Roof, 6,200. Remember, just the addition part, right? Windows, 29,906. Everything is ready to break it down for you. What is this? 2,000. That's the patio door installation. Exterior waterproofing, 1,000. Wait. Plumbing, 17,200. That's 2 bathrooms, kitchen, and adjust whatever needs to adjust to go through is all plumbing. They're always replacing the all plumbing. This is 100 years old house, 120 years house. Drywall and insulation, 29,500. Material labor included. Trim work and doors and all of those trim works, 9,141. Here's the moldings and all those things. So everything will break it down for you. And then as you go down, here is the cool thing. You get to pick everything, and everything is going to be break down for you, so you know where your money is going. Fixtures, lighting, toilet, you name it. Then down here is the appliances selection also. Same thing with the appliances. Here's the doors. Where's the appliances? I think we passed through the appliances. Yeah, we passed through the appliances. Everything is breaking down. With this in mind, you know exactly what things will cost you, and then you know exactly how much money you need to save. Addition: 24 weight by 15 width, long, 2 floors, brand new kitchen, all new sofa for the entire house, repair the ceilings, almost the entire floor, couple of huge beams, 2 bathrooms, wall closet, exterior part, the roofing, whole thing. Usually budget 492, probably 500k, 550 or something like that. You should be able to be safe. So you take care. With this option, no surprises whatsoever. You take care. Have a wonderful day. Hasta la pasta.